Hey there, James here. Welcome to my review and bonuses. Excuse me, I'm just checking for kitties. Make sure there's no cat below my chair. And my little Mitzi, she likes to hang around by my chair, and I don't want to run on her over her little pawsies. Okay, so commission robot. Okay, so what does it do? Unlock unlimited commissions in 3 minutes. You're one click away from your first sale. Instantly cash in with affiliate offers. Blah, 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 blah. If you want to make some money on the side, online, beside your job, don't give up your day job tomorrow, but you can do this part-time and then make it into a full-time business. Because you know what happens when you start one thing and it starts being successful, then it offshoots to another and to another. But you got to start somewhere. Start with commission robot. Okay, if you're single stay-at-home mom, if you're over 65 like this guy, if you got frizzy hair like this university student here, even if you don't, any business owner with online presence, okay, work from home like this chickie here. Well, right, she's not a chickie, she's a woman. And this gang right here, this bunch of yuppies, okay, they're not yuppies, all right. Watch the demo and it'll explain exactly what you do. Okay, 3 minutes flat, including these are just some of the niches that you can niches that you can use use this software for. Step 1, you purchase the software. Step 2, you activate the software. Step 3, cash in like this girl right here. Now I can't guarantee you're going to look as sexy as her when you throw money up in the air, but you might. Okay, here's some of the commission robot earnings. Some more earnings. These are some of the bonuses that you get from the vendor. And now here's some testimonies. But let me take you to their website real quick. Okay, once again, commission robot. And when you go there, you'll see this video here. And this video will play and tell you more about it. Okay, and pretty much what you saw on my site just now, I just kind of robbed some of the stuff from their site. So you can kind of get a glimpse. These are the guys right here that put it together. It's, let's see, Dave Kirby, Justin Opay, and Billy Dark. Okay, Billy, David, and Opay, he likes kind of right now to be anonymous. No, he's just camera shy. All right, unlimited free traffic and sales. Blah, 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 blah. You want to go to the website, and it will show you exactly what you need to do to get the software to make you some profits. All right, so let me show you real quick my bonuses. Okay, I give this a solid 9. I really like the way this works. And oh, by the way, before I show you my bonuses, let me show you real quick what I did. This is my product on Commission Robot site. Okay. This is a real product. People can click this and go straight to my product, which is right here. Okay. So, but let me go out of that real quick and back to Commission Robot. So, they explain in more detail, of course, all about Commission Robot and what you can do. Some of these, as I'm going by, you'll see it familiar because I just showed you on my site. I copy-pasted them. Okay. Huge discount right now. You can get it for a very huge discount. You really want to check it out. So they have a 365-day money-back guarantee. But that's pretty good, you don't see that very often. I mean, for a whole year you can use this sucker if you don't get anywhere with it, which I doubt will be the case. You can get your money back. I mean, that is unreal. That's rare. Okay, so back to my bonuses, which I know this is what you want to see. Just shut up, Jim, and show the bonuses. Okay, I'm showing you. 3-step profit machines. Instant commissions. Bonus 3, piggyback cash system. Profit vortex, bonus 4. Viral commission machine. Auto affiliate machine. Bonus 7, Kickstart survey. My own bonus 8, which is a video. Bonus 9, you can give these away to your prospects. So recapping, brand new commission software, world-class customer support, make money video training, agency license, premium bonuses by the guys. And then, of course, my bonuses. So any one of these links, any one of these images are links directly to their website. Go to their website, click this button right here, purchase it, and my bonuses will be right there alongside theirs. All right, well, hey, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to click the link below my video. Check out my review and bonuses. Watch my video all the way through, as you just did. Purchase, activate, cash in. Okay. See you on the inside.